Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day 8. I've been chilling and I really want pomegranate, so let's go make some pomegranate. A bowl full of pomegranates. Yum! I look a little crazy, so I'm gonna hide my hair, but I am actually about to make a hair mask. I make these actually pretty often nowadays. I used to not make them this often, but now I do because they are like the best thing for my hair. I feel like they make my hair really moisturized. So I use like one of these containers. This is from the Magic Bullet. So things I take usually is an egg, some mayo. I like it being like thick-ish. I take some honey. These are just the kitchen items. Take olive oil. This is extra virgin. This is the only one I recommend using for your hair, like some extra virgin, really good olive oil. And let's go to my bathroom and get some ingredients. Okay, I got some black castor oil and I got some peppermint oil. This is my favorite oil ever. Like literally, I love like the stimulating feeling on my head. I think it just feels so good. And y'all can just watch me. Oh my gosh, my hair looks so bad, but y'all can just watch me create my formula. All right, this is it. I think that's all the stuff I put in it. I'm trying to think of I put a lot of olive oil in it, so I'm happy with that, but I think we're good. Well, it doesn't look like a lot, but trust me, this is a lot. I'm gonna put the cap on it and then we're gonna just put it in the fridge for a bit because we do need to wash our hair first. We got the shrunken hair. We got the shrunken hair in the mask. I remembered I usually put coconut oil in there. Some coconut oil in here, and I'll put that in my little concoction. But now I'm just gonna do like a quick wash of my hair, and then I'm gonna put the mask in and let it sit in my hair for about 30 minutes. You guys are probably like, oh my gosh, Angel, show us your beautiful hair. It's not washed. It's still here. I actually want to take a break because I was over my hair. Y'all know when you start the hair process, it's annoying. So I just took a little break. It's 2 a.m. so I'm debating if I want to do it now or tomorrow and then just do a bunch of my sign language. Right now I've been studying a little bit of sign language and catching up on videos. The thing is, I just have a lot of content for tomorrow. I mean, for today if I did my hair, but I don't want to be up till 6 a.m. doing my hair. But am I going to be up till 6 a.m. anyways? That's the thing. I don't know. Right now, my mindset is I'm going to do it tomorrow. I just know with this hair, you guys need to understand, with natural hair, I gotta wash it. Then I deep condition it. The deep conditioner stays in for about 30 minutes. After that, I have to like section my hair and oil up my scalp, oil up my hair, section it, braid it all in sections. It's a process. It will take at least 4 hours. I know it for sure, it will. So that's why I'm debating. So maybe I'll just brush up on my ASL sign language and you guys can watch me do that. I do need to make some tea, my iron tea, y'all know, and I need to get blood work. I need to find a way to go to the doctor. I don't want to go because COVID's disgusting, but I need to get blood work so I can go do my iron. And like, I also was supposed to get like an ultrasound on my boobs, but I don't know. There needs to be a day where I just focus on my medical stuff to get done. Nothing's wrong with me, I'm cool, but I have tests that I need to do and get them over with just to give my brain my own sense of relief. But right now, let's go make some tea. We're gonna make some iron tea. If y'all haven't seen me make iron tea, let's go make it together. Come on. Let's go. Here's the thing. I just realized tomorrow I'm supposed to be cooking spaghetti. So Do I do my hair today or tomorrow? I think we'll do it tomorrow. I think I made that executive decision. Sorry, today wasn't very eventful. It's finals week. What do you guys want from me? After finals week, I'm gonna try to make these fun for you. There's a lot of things I want to do. I want to go skating. I want to go look at like lights for Christmas. What else do I want to do? I want to like a gingerbread house contest. It's a lot of fun stuff I want to do. If you guys don't know, if you guys are ever iron deficient, something that's really good for iron is, we call it rosetta in my culture in Swahili, but it's actually hibiscus. Hibiscus it's jam-packed with iron, so I just put them in there. We've seen me make this a bunch of times, haven't we not? If you haven't, congratulations, you're gonna see today. I just put water in there, and there's honey at the bottom too, and then you see it's already bleeding. Let me put some more water, it's a little low. So I let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you guys don't know this about me, I make boiling hot tea, but I actually hate hot. It terrifies me, it always burns my mouth. Everything hot just sucks, so I literally wait for it to cool down. So I have one YouTube video that I want to catch up on, and then I actually took an hour break to play Among Us. I have a problem, so there's one YouTube video that I saw that I want to watch, so I'm gonna watch one YouTube video, and then we're not playing around, Angel. We're about to focus and catch up on our ASL because we have, guys, you don't even know, we have tons of videos to catch up on. Yeah, but I just learned some more stuff anyway, but yeah. Ugh. Let's watch this video. Okay, hey guys, we're back. My tea has bled its way. I have a new thing of iron pills that we're gonna open up. I use Max, by the way, to anyone who cares. I do this segment in my vlog and I think nobody cares at all, which is understandable. And I drink my tea. I really just end up chugging that eventually. So basically what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna study some sign language. You guys, it is 3:27, so you guys will see me study some sign language. I'm gonna do probably like one session you guys can watch, and then after that I think I'm gonna call it a day. I just don't want to like bore you guys when I'm just trying to watch these sessions and do these things. Okay, I think we got a good amount. I'm not done my courses yet, but I'm still going to be reading them. My camera's about to die, and that's my fault because I left it on all night last night. So I think this is a sign that this gotta stop. This gotta end. So thank you guys so much for enduring Vlogmas Day 8. Tomorrow, come along with and watch me hair mask my hair. I have a math test tomorrow, and I also am going to be cooking dinner. I think I'm going to be cooking spaghetti. My mom wants me to cook spaghetti. Anyway, that's what we're going to be doing tomorrow. So come along. Tomorrow should be eventful. I feel like it's going to be like a pretty long vlog. I got a lot of things to do. I need to set an alarm so I could wake up early tomorrow and get all this stuff done. Dedicate most of my time tomorrow to ASL. But thank you guys so much for watching this video again. I shouldn't talk too long before this camera dies. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Remember to be humble and always remember self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye. It's see you tomorrow on Vlogmas Day 9 is tomorrow, right? Yes, Vlogmas Day 9. And like I said, happy Vlogmas Day 8. Anyway, see y'all. Anyway, my camera rudely died. See y'all before this camera really ends.